Alright, go. Hi, this is Bill Wetzel. We've been experiencing some pretty good surf fishing lately. There's been a lot of bunker, and I've seen shad, and I've even seen some whitebait recently. Water temperatures are probably around 58 degrees along most of the South Shore and in Montauk, which is phenomenal at this time of year because it's going to extend our season. There's my charter right there. He's just banging another fish. We had about, I don't know, a couple dozen fish that day, I remember right. It's all on my log at surfratsball.com if you want to check it out. Last night we fished. We had fish into the high teens. The night before we had some 20s. It's been good. It's been spotty, but if you can find the fish, it's been good. Daytime fishing has also been spotty. If you get into them, you get into a lot of fish. Lots of bait around. We're throwing bucktails, bottle plugs, bottle darters, Super Strike tartars. Here, my customer, I have throwing a Super Strike little neck loaded white popper. It's excellent that day. Enjoy.